Hello guys, welcome back with Milo Chow Chow 2025 and Let's Learning Excel. Today we're going to learn about making checkbox. First, what you need to do is to activate the Developer tab. Just go to File option, and when you are in this window, just select Customers Ribbon and select this Developer checks. Okay, then you will have this Developer tab. Here is a list of officer and troops. When you create your army one, we want to have a checkbox here that select which army that we're going to take. It's just an example. Okay, first from developer you select insert, and then there's a lot of form control. Today we're going to learn about the user one, not the active F1s. So checkbox, you just put it here, click, and the checkbox is already here. Now to edit it, you could click edit text and change this name into whatever you want, like, and it's gonna be theirs. So the checkbox, just press control. If you're not pressing control, it's gonna be activated. So press control and then click it. You will see this, or you could actually delete it, all the text here. So we don't need the text here, so we're going to delete it and move the checkbox back where it belongs. Okay, I forgot. I control move it. Now you have this checklist. This checklist itself is mean nothing. So what you need to do is to connect this checkbox into some cell. How to do that? Just right click this and select Remote Control and select Control Tab. So you could select uncheck or whatever you want for the default value, and then select cell link. For example, we're going to link this with, okay. Now if you check this, it's gonna value true or false. Now we can copy paste this. Okay. Copy paste here. Yeah. Link it, you need to do it manually. It doesn't matter if you just copy paste this cell that already setting. It's gonna lead to one cell. So for example, if I copy paste this and put it here, it's gonna link to the same cell. So you need to do it manually. Maybe on the other video, I'm going to teach you how to connect or to create a checkbox that link to the same cell using macro, but for now let's edit it manually using format control. So it's gonna be good if you're not setting it to a bunch of hundreds and hundreds of checkbox. So we're going to skip this process. Okay, I already copy paste all of this. So, and what you need to know is this is connect and vice versa. So if I delete this, it's gonna be removed too, and if I write false, the checkbox also gonna be removed too. But remember, if the true, you write something like random word, it's not gonna change. So make sure you understand that. Now to show you a use case, usually after you click checkbox here, you could use like total troops there. It's a sum if you count which is true to know how many troops you have selected. This is an example. The same thing for a serial number, you count the true. And ready for war, you could add a flag here. For example, you could only go to war if you have 5 to 6 officers and you have more than 150,000 troops. So it's gonna turn Y if it has less than 7 officers. So if we reduce this, it's 240,000. So it's yes with officer number 6. The last one is how to delete a checkbox. It's very simple. Press control and then click this thing, and this just press delete on the keyboard. As simple as that to delete that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and see you again on the next episode, guys. Have a nice day.